Hi, this is Mike with Extreme Audio and a 2018 Mazda 3 with a manual transmission that we added a long-range two-way remote start. One tap of the start button will tell you the temperature in the vehicle. A long press will engage the remote start itself. Once the vehicle starts, the remote will show you the amount of time that it's set to run. You can see the countdown at the bottom of the screen once it refreshes. A simple press of the lock button will lock the doors with confirmation on the remote control. One press of the unlock button will unlock the doors with confirmation on the remote as well. A quick tap of the start button while the engine is running will update the temperature on the car. You can also press it again and it'll show you the battery voltage in the car. You can also shut the vehicle back down by holding down the button again. In the Richmond, Virginia area and interested in a remote start for your vehicle, check us out at extremeaudio.org or swing by one of the locations listed at the end of the video. Extreme Audio has two Richmond, Virginia area locations, one in Mechanicsville just past Lee Davis High School next door to Sheehy Nissan, and the other in Midlothian off Hull Street Road in the building with Steelhorse Harley Davidson.